How do I add a new family manager on PS4?
Hello, PS4 users. Today we'll learn how to add a new family manager to your PlayStation 4. This is crucial if you want to manage who in your family has access to what on your PlayStation 4. Let's get started.
What is a family manager?
Before we start, it's important to understand what a family manager is. On the PS4, a family manager is an adult account that can add and manage other accounts in the family. They can set parental controls, purchase restrictions, and even control playtime for child accounts.
How to access PS4 settings?
The first step to add a new family manager is to navigate to your PS4 settings. 1. Turn on your PS4 and sign into the account that you want to become a family manager. 2. Navigate to the top menu and select the settings option.
Adding a new family member.
Once you're in settings, you'll need to access the family management section. 1. In the settings menu, scroll down to parental controls, family management. 2. Select family management. 3. You may be asked to sign in to your PlayStation Network (PSN) account. 4. Once signed in, select Add Family Member.
Creating a new user.
Now, let's create a new user for the family manager. 1. At this point, you'll be asked to enter the email address of the person you wish to add as a family member. Input this, then select Next. 2. You'll then be prompted to set the role of the new member. To assign them as a new family manager, select Adult. And there you have it, folks. You've now successfully added a new family manager on your PS4. This will help you maintain control over the gaming environment for your family. Remember, as a family manager, you have the power to manage settings for each member of the family. Happy gaming!